Oh, bus cutoff.
Oh yeah. What else is new?
So we've got a bit of an interesting one going on today, a road test of sorts. So what we're going to test is our parents' 1965 Mustang. It was bought new by our grandfather back in 1965 from the local Ford dealership. It was treated like any kind of normal car would be back at the time, right? They drove it in the winter, they parked it outside, they had no idea what it would become. When they started to realize the value of the car, they didn't drive it as much, but the damage had been done. My mother decided that she wanted the car many years ago when my grandfather had decided to sell it. Cosmetically from the outside, it looked okay. When you really got into the nuts and bolts of it, it was hiding a lot. One of the things that our father decided to do was that he was going to restore it. He said once he got into the project, he realized what terrible shape it was in. He probably would have sent it to the crusher and bought a fastback if it hadn't been for the family history. So many years ago, took the car out to the Porter farm, put it on a rotisserie and started pulling it apart. Then it got moved to the garage where you see us work now and was on the hoist for many years as he went through it and restored every part of it. I mean, he painted the nuts, he painted the bolt. So now that it's finally finished, there's a few little kinks that need to be worked out before it goes to any car shows or any of that sort of stuff. Now it needs an alignment, but before we bring it down for the alignment, we want to take it for a test drive and make sure that the brakes are okay.
Oh, hi.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good. So what's the plan?
Well, we'll go take a little test drive in the Mustang and see if it's got brakes.
Are we going up a big hill and then down a big hill?
No, I've got a little bit of a route planned where it's going to be friendly.
Okay.
Our grandmother's car, because she had a Vauxhall.
Yes, a Vauxhall, yes.
That had no power. I guess, I don't know back in the 60s which Vauxhalls were available in North America, but there were some for sure. And so she didn't like it because she couldn't pass anyone, and our grandmother had to be the first person on the road. Like, she was leading the pack. She wasn't sticking behind anyone. And so they traded it in on a bright orange 65 Mustang. Technical color is poppy red. Now it is actually painted Chevy Aveo orange. I don't even know what
I don't know what it's called either. All I know is that the reason that we ended up with that color is because our mother had an Aveo that was that color.
That was that color, yeah. And it looked like it pretty much fit the bill. So we're like, okay, let's do it. All right, so probably already out here with the garage doors open and everything. What's your guess on that?
Oh, yeah, it all prepared, ready to go.
All right.
Oh, look who it is. It's Liddy.
Right, so I'm gonna do this.
Where found his mirrors?
That's what you're saying.
In the trunk?
No,
it was right there in that stand.
Here, we'll go.
The battery's not hooked up.
Okay.
You just have to put it on the post.
Are you coming? You're coming, right? Garrett?
I guess I could.
Well, yeah.
Tim will drive and you can backseat drive.
No, you can shotgun it, and I told him Mark will sit in the back.
It's fine on that stuff. You just keep an eye on that tongue. Ah, you got tons of room. Good, you're good. Now, the crazy thing about this interior is it's all original.
Yeah.
Did you replace the carpet?
Yeah.
No, I didn't put that. That's the old carpet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, there you go. Right down to the carpet, everything is original. How many kilometers are on this thing?
49,000.
Brakes good?
Brakes are good, they're just new. I can hear them. It was swinging around, so I had to turn it. Brakes aren't hot on this side anyways, so they're not dragging or anything.
Does that temperature gauge work?
No, it's electric. Whoa, that's too far back. Too far.
That sounds good. Do you hear a little bit of a knock in there?
Well, it's a bit of a ping, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to get rid of. But it could also just be some rattle. It's a Ford, right?
Yep.
See if it stays running when I put it in gear.
That sounds much better.
Sounds about right.
Ready to go?
Well, kind of. Yeah, whenever is.
I gotta go to the store and pick up some lumber.
Oh.
Yep. I'll drop you off at our store though.
I always wanted to see you get wood.
Oh.
All right.
Bye.
And just like that. What lumber?
One test drive complete.
Yeah, that's good. My car is next.
Jump in there. There we go. All right, so we're all done. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to click that like and subscribe button to stay on top of everything that's going on. Any final words?
No, that was fun. I always love driving cars and stuff, and you got Garen on your side.
Oh, there it is. All right, bye, folks.